Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am the Triple Moon Priestess, and today we will be talking about moon water. Ingredients. You need one or more, I guess, if you wanted to make more than one, but you need a glass jar. You have cleaned and cleansed, and you can cleanse it with white sage. You will need water, and you can use spring water, rainwater, distilled water, or tap water. If you use spring or rainwater, just remember that that is live water, and it probably will only be good for until like the next full moon. You want to use that before the next full moon. If you use tap water, you're going to want to boil it, okay? Distilled water will have the longest shelf life. Next, you will need a chant, a blessing, a prayer, or some sort of intention that you want to bestow upon your water, and have that prepared before you put it outside or on your windowsill, okay? The very last thing that you will need, of course, is moonlight. Okay, so you have all of your ingredients. So you take your jar that is clean and cleansed, and you go ahead and fill it up, probably about 3/4 of the way, just so that it's not all the way full. You're gonna put your water in there when the moon is out and you're ready to place it. You place it on your windowsill if you're gonna do it inside, or you're gonna place it outside. And this is where the lid comes in, because you don't want particles or any kind of bugs or anything getting into your water. You want pure and clean water. So go ahead and fasten up that lid before you place it anywhere, be it inside or outside. And then, of course, wherever you do place it, you want to make sure that it is in direct moonlight. Some people like to place their jars 2 to 3 days leading up to the full moon. You don't have to do that. You can place it on the night of, just as long as you make sure you collect it before sunrise. Now, some people don't collect it before sunrise. That is their choice. But the thing is that it's moon water, and so the sun rays makes it less potent, I guess you could say. Okay, so you have your water placed. Now is a time where you want to do your chant, your blessing, or your prayer, or even just hold it up to your heart and give it the intention that you want in that way. Whatever feels the best for you. And now if you want to do a chant or a prayer or a blessing or whatever, there's a ton online, and I would suggest looking through some of those to see what feels right for you. And that's really what you want to focus on, is your intuition and whatever it is that feels right for you in that moment. To give you some examples of intentions that people may use for their moon water, could be love, protection, purification, healing. Those are just some. There's plenty others. Some people like to add crystals or other items to their moon water to enhance their intention. You're welcome to do that. However, I would suggest doing your research, because not all crystals do well in water. Selenite, for example, will dissolve in water. So just be careful which crystals you're using or putting in water. Also, I would suggest not putting any herbs or like fresh ingredients, because those will eventually they'll rot, and then you'll have bad water, and ew. So you have your moon water already, you've got it set and everything, you've done your blessing, your prayer, your intention, whatever you're doing. You leave it there overnight. Again, you're welcome to put it out the days leading up to the full moon, but you don't have to. You can do it the night of the full moon, and just remember to collect it before sunrise. After you've collected it, you want to make sure you put the date that it was, the moon phase that it was, any intention that you put into it, the astrological sign that the moon was in at that point in time. If you know, if you don't know and you really want to know, you can always look it up, whatever sign the moon might be in at this current time. Right now, the moon is in Sagittarius. As far as storage goes, you want to store it in a dark place, or if you absolutely have to, the back of your fridge is okay. It's just, you know, you don't want to get the sunlight on it again, because the sun, it's moon water, and the sunlight is the opposite effect. Okay, that is how you make moon water. It's pretty straightforward and simple. There are some more detailed things that I could get into, like as far as the colored jars and what the different colors mean, or the different meanings of the different crystals. I can do that another time. I just wanted to give you something very simple for right now. This is the basic, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like below so I know you enjoy my content, and I will continue to make more. Thank you so much for visiting with me today. Take care and be blessed.